today we're going to be looking at trucks on Instagram. This will be part 2. I have a part 1. I will be posting this on both my channels, Dirty South Customs and Smoke Dog. But first off, we have what looks to be a 5th gen Cummins. Looks like 14 words, I'm not really sure. Ooh, we have a lowered truck, which this one was featured a lot in the last episode. Lowered GMC, I think that's a Denali. Yeah, I see Denali there, but it looks like 1500 mirrors. What the fuck is this? Looks like fireworks. Oh, there's a truck there. Looks like a Japanese cab over. Here we have a 1980s square body 4-door Chevy long bed dually. Nice. Here we have a Ford F350, maybe it might be an F450. Yeah, it's F350 Lariat. Okay, that's nice. We have what looks to be a Peterbilt. Now here we have a 90s model Chevy Silverado 1500. Slammed, big ass rims, rubber band tires. And here we have a Chevy. It's on some white ass tires and big ass rims. Here we have a Ford OBS, nice, doing burnouts, hell yeah. F250 old one. Is that like a, I want to say that's like the 70s model, because my buddy has one just like it. That's a custom offset, so I guess I'm going to have to put their channel in this video too. Then there's this lady who likes to show off her ass in her 2007 through 2011 Chevy Silverado. Here's a C10. I think this is 60s. I don't know. Let's see. What are we? Nope. Ooh, we got a car. And if y'all want, I'll do cars too. We got what looks to be an F350 single wheel beside a F3 2500 Ram. 3500 Ram, sorry. Ooh, we have a 1970s Ford. Another OBS Chevy this time. That's nice. We have what looks to be like a cat-eye Chevy. Fix the misfires. Oh, that's nice. Good little fuck my loud muffler. Fuck you too. And Ford Bronco. School bus. That's like the Freedom Bus. Ooh, almost nails face first. Another Japanese truck. Ford F-150. Well, I think that's an F-150 or a Raptor. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of those anyways. Well, it looks to be a Peterbilt. Chevy side step, lowered. Big ass rims. Ooh. Monster be sponsoring all the right people, man. Dash cam footage. Got a Ford F350, I think. New GMC Denali. Little kid with a vehicle that costs more than mine. Lowered cat-eye Chevy. Way lowered with big ass wide rims. This vehicle again. I like this truck. It looks pretty cool. This ain't the first time I've seen it. I'm not sure if I've showed it on the channel yet. Oh yes, and for the people that have made it this far, please like and subscribe. It'd help me out a lot. I know there's only gonna be like 4 or 5 people, but still. Now, sorry, that was a Chevy dually, old school. Custom offsets. That truck again. This looks nice. Ooh, drop hitch. What is that, Fox? No one cares. That looks cool. This truck again. That Ford F-150 or Raptor. That I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Another Japanese truck. Ooh. Damn, dude, almost got it. Ooh, that looks nice. What is that, old school Ford? Ooh, new teal blue Dodge. Looks like 4th gen tail lights. Oh man, he's dropped it halfway. Nice new Ford. Man. Oh, Ford F-250, nice. These chicks showing off their butts. And the cat-eye Chevy, yeah. Chevy C10. 4-door F-450 on any level. That's nice. No fat bitches. Alright, I'm gonna get labeled for body shaming. And special request video. New Chevy, nice. Alright. Ooh, shit, she got big tits. Let's see. Styled by Mother Nature. Yeah, that looks cool. Chevy C10. Ooh, I think this is that guy's military truck. No, that's not it. Mom spaghetti. Oof. That Ford Raptor or whatever. I think that's a Peter. I don't know. A 450 on any level. I'm not sure what that is. It's not final. Failure is not fatal. Success is not final. Okay, that's cool. Oh shit, cat-eye Chevy rolling hella cool. Ooh, new Ram. Oh wait, is this the Mammoth? I don't know, but that's nice. I'd love to see one in person if that's a Mammoth. Another Japanese truck, cat-eye Chevy with that chick that likes to show off her butt. Ooh, lowered Z10. Ooh, this chick. We Todd. Lost his sandal. Ooh, OBS Ford. No fat bitches chick again. Old school Bronco. This chick. Cat-eye Chevy with some decent sized rims. I like those. Lowered Denali. Hold up. I kind of want some rims like that for my truck. I want them like even with the fender. If that makes any sense, I want them like dead even. With some 35s maybe. And if y'all don't know what I'm talking about Bumpkins. You can find her on Smoke Dog mostly, or you can go to my Instagram, Bumpkins22. It's just like pumpkins, just spelt with a B. Sorry, Bumpkins23. I'm not sure what I said. I'm pretty sure I said 22. Oh, Ford doing some work. That's rare. Cat-eye Chevy Darmax smokestack. Oh shit, way lowered. Or it had no suspension. What the fuck? There's tires under there. Damn. C10. Oh. Dude. I thought someone was gonna wreck the wait. That might be a 4th gen back there. Hold up on a bit. Yeah, that's 4th gen. 5th gen Ram is the black one. The gray one's 4th gen. What are you? Sakura? I don't know. I can't really read, guys. I'm sorry. Peterbilt, nice. Ooh, 3rd gen, nice. Got a dually just like that. No, this chick, I like the damn it. Boy, I'm gonna have that put on my truck. Oh, Mammoth. Yeah, I want one of these. Cat-eye Chevy. It's a UFO. Yeah, it's nice. I want to put underglow like on my radiator or however people do it. That way, whenever I turn it on orange, it looks like it's on fire. Ooh, 1970s Ford. I'm not sure what this truck is called, but it's the same year as the Duramax, same motor, same everything, just a different name. Chrome, I don't really care. Nice monster truck. Cat-eye Chevy. Duramax. Happy 4th. Happy 4th to you, man. I know it's a little late. Let's see here. That's nice. Ooh, right. But I'm gonna end it here. I hope everyone's had a great day. I've got to get to work. But as I said before, please like, please subscribe. Hit that little bell for notifications. And I should be getting. I'm gonna work on getting some T-shirts and stuff, so that way I can have some merch before I get too big. That way, I'm gonna get Smoke Dog merch and Dirty South Custom shirt. That is a company I am working on starting. Please go like and subscribe at that channel. If I post this video on there, I'm not sure if I will or not. But have a great day, guys. I hope you all are having a great day. And if you want to leave a comment on how your day's going, please do. I just hope everyone's enjoying themselves. Alright, everybody, I'm going to get going. Alright, have a good day, rest of your day, and have a good night as well, guys. Peace.